Hey guys, I just want to make like a quick video. You see I got the rim set up. What I want to do is actually do a front lip. So I've been watching some videos and I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna put a cheap DIY front lip and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna show you real quick. So I'm gonna be using this Gardens edging. I'm gonna use this Garden edging. Let me show you how it looks from this side. So I'm gonna be using this Garden edging. See, this is how it's supposed to look. I'm just trying it out, see how it looks. See, I sure got like a deeper size, but that's okay. So basically I'm gonna use the garden edging and then just going all around with it. I'm not sure if I should go high up or low with it, but to me it's gonna look pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a shot. So this is my cast. I was gonna try something out and see how it looks, and then see the end results if you guys want to try it too. Okay guys, so what I'm doing, I cut the back side of this because it was like this thick, so I cut it off with a blade. Cut it with a blade like this. I just cut everything off because it wasn't laying flat. And then I'm using some self-tapping screws. I'll show it to you in a bit. And then I was going around. I left a couple edges so I can actually try to bend it in. Make it look, heat it up and try to bend this in. Make it look a little better. And using self-tapping screws, kind of messed up the paint here, but that's okay. And now I'm just gonna go around and screw it in. I'm trying to like go around this, maybe this height. See how it's gonna look? That's how it's supposed to look. Or maybe, yeah. Try to go a little bit lower here, and this is how it's supposed to look. Looks pretty good in my opinion, so I'm gonna continue. Hey guys, so this is the final product. I'll show you guys tomorrow when it's actually daylight. That's how it looks. And I can tell you, man, it looks so good. I won't lie, this looks it looks so good. I got some screws in here. I put too much screws in the center here, as you can see. But it's getting dark, so daylight savings and all, but it looks pretty good. So it looks, look from this side. Oh my god, yeah, this looks pretty. And this was only cost me like maybe $10, so. Yeah, this looks 100% way better. Better. Hey guys, I'll show you guys tomorrow how it actually looks.